With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this: which of the following given statements are correct for both fluorite and antifluorite structures? Okay, so we need to give the correct statement about the fluorite and antifluorite structure which is correct for both the structures. Okay, so our first statement is like this: coordination number of cation is 8. Our second statement is like this: number of formula unit is the number of formula unit in 1 unit cell is 4. Number third statement is 100% tetrahedral voids are occupied, and number fourth statement is radius ratio of cation and anion is 0.20. Our options are first and second are true, first, second and third are true, second and third are true, and first, second, third, fourth are true. So this is a very basic question about the fluorite and antifluorite structures. So first of all, we need to know what are fluorite and antifluorite structures. Okay, so here I am writing fluorite and here I am writing antifluorite. Antifluorite structures. These are the ionic solid. Basically, these structures are the ionic solid. I hope you guys are understanding it. Okay, so these fluorite structures are AB2 type structure. These fluorite structure are for AB2 type. Okay, it is for AB2 type. Like example, we have example of CaF2. I hope you guys are understanding. And these antifluorite structure are A2B types. A2B types, and example for this is Na2O. Okay, example for this is antifluorite structure is Na2O. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are understanding. In this, coordination number of compound are in the ratio of 8:4. 8:4. This is the coordination number of cation. This is the coordination number of cation, that is for Ca+2. This is the coordination number of cation, that is for Ca+2 in example of CaF2. And this is the coordination number of anion. This is the coordination number of anion. Okay. And in this, the coordination number of compound are in the ratio of 4:8. This is the coordination number of cation. This is the coordination number of cation, that is for Na+. And this is the coordination number of anion. This is the coordination number of anion. I hope you guys are understanding it. Okay, this is the basic things about the coordination numbers. Okay, wait a second, guys. Now, in this CaF2 type structure, Ca+2, that is cation, Ca+2 occupy the, or we can say Ca+2 ion form the FCC lattice. Ca+2 ion form the FCC lattice. That is cation. In this fluorite type of structure, cation form the FCC lattice, and anion, that is F minus. Anion, that is F minus. Fluoride ions. These fluoride ions occupies all tetrahedral void. These fluoride ions occupy all tetrahedral voids. And in case of antifluoride, that is in Na2O type structure, this Na plus occupy all the tetrahedral voids. This Na plus occupy all tetrahedral void, and this O2 minus form FCC lattice. This O2 minus form FCC lattice. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding it. And in this case, coordination number of fluoride ion is 4, because coordination of number of anion is 4 and coordination number of Ca+2 is 8. Okay, and in this case, coordination number of cation is 4 and coordination number of anion is 8. I hope you guys are understanding it. The formula of unit cell in this case is formula of unit cell is in this case is Ca4F8. I hope you guys are understanding, because in this case, effective number of Ca+2 ions are 4 and effective number of F minus ion are 8, because tetrahedral void are 8. Because in this case, tetrahedral voids are 8 and F minus occupies all the tetrahedral void. Okay, so in this case, the tetrahedral voids are 8. So effective number of fluoride ions are 8 and effective number of Ca plus 2 ions are 4. So formula of this unit cell will be Ca4F8 type, and formula of ionic compound will be formula of this ionic compound. This is an ionic solid. So formula of this ionic compound will be CaF2. So there are four. I hope you guys are understanding it. So there are effective number of formula unit cell. There are 4 effective number of formula unit cell. Okay. I hope you guys are understanding. So effective number of formula unit cell is, wait a second guys. Effective number of formula unit cell Z in this fluoride type of structure is 4. Okay. Now in this case the formula of unit cell is, in this case formula, or we can write formula of unit cell is Na8O4. In this case the formula of unit cell is Na8O4, and the formula of ionic compound will be Na2O. So in this case also there are these Na plus occupy all the tetrahedral voids. So effective number of Na plus ions in this antifluoride structure will be 8, and effective number of O2 minus ion will be 4. So formula of this unit cell is Na8O4, and formula of ionic compound will be Na2O. So effective number of formula unit cell for this case also 4. Effective number of formula unit cell in this case, that is in antifluoride structure, is also 4. That is Z is also 4 in this case. That is effective number of formula unit cell. Okay. So in this antifluoride and fluoride structure, for both of these structure, effective number of formula unit cell for both of these structure is 4. Okay. Now let us check the statements which we have given in the question. We have first statement that coordination number of cation is 8 in both the fluoride and antifluoride structure. This is the wrong statement. First statement is wrong, because coordination number of cation in fluoride structure is 8, but coordination number of cation in antifluoride structure is 4. Okay. In both the fluoride and antifluoride structure, the coordination number of cation is not 8. In fluoride it is 8, and in antifluoride the coordination number of cation is 4. So our first statement is incorrect statement. Number of formula unit cell is in one unit cell is 4. This is the correct statement, as I explained you earlier. Z, that is effective number of formula unit cell for both the fluoride and antifluoride structure, is 4. So second statement is correct. Our third statement is 100% voids are occupied. This statement is also correct, because in fluoride structure all the tetrahedral voids are occupied by the anion, that is fluoride ion. In case of CaF2, all the tetrahedral voids are occupied by the fluoride ion in CaF2, and in antifluoride structure all the tetrahedral voids are occupied by the cation, that is Na plus. So in both the structure, that is in fluoride and antifluoride structure, in both the structure voids are occupied, tetrahedral voids are occupied. In one case it is occupied by the anion, and in the other case it is occupied by the cation. Okay, so our third statement is also correct. Radius ratio of cation and anion is 0.20. This statement is completely wrong, because there can't be same radius ratio for two structure like for fluoride and antifluoride structure. Okay, so this is wrong, because in antifluoride structure, let me add this point also. In antifluoride structure, that is this structure Na2O, in this structure the radius ratio of cations to anion, is not same as that of radius ratio of this is for antifluoride structure. Antifluoride is not same as radius ratio of cations to anion in fluoride structure. So radius ratio of cation and anion are not same in case of fluoride and antifluoride structure, and it is also not equals to and it is not also not equals to 0.20 also. So our fourth statement is the completely wrong statement. That is, in both the cases, fluorite and antifluorite structure, both the cases radius H of cation and anion is 0.20. This is completely wrong. Okay, so our correct statements are second and third. Okay, so option third will be the correct option. Thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.